First things first. Let's check out where the positioning of this set of cameras is on the stereo spacecraft. What we're looking at is the current positioning for the Stereo A spacecraft. The set of cameras that belong to SETI, the U.S. Naval Observatory, those cameras are on that spacecraft, along with the camera setup for stereo. So, right off the bat, as soon as I show you the photographs and the video, you're going to say to me, oh, okay, well, the object that we're seeing is probably Venus, because Venus is right there in conjunction with the camera systems that are on the stereo spacecraft. And getting back to Stereo A. Now, the Stereo A SETI cameras are not viewing the sun from that distance of 93 million miles. They are zoomed in. And when I mean zoomed in, they are zoomed in all the way. Video and the photographs, you're not going to see Venus, you're going to see Mercury. Okay, remember, it's not Venus, it's Mercury. 10 minutes ago, this is the exact positioning of the Earth, Stereo A, B, the Sun, Venus, and Mercury. So I just took this snapshot about 5 minutes before I started my live stream. So now that we got that out of the way, transparent. No, no, no. It's not transparent, folks. And all of those little white dots that you see scattered across the screen in the photograph are not stars either. They're not stars. If those were stars, how would there be stars all around Mercury and all around this object? See, we only have one star in our solar system. It's the sun. So all of what you see in the background is particles, large particles, and debris that is being ejected from the sun. Because it is illuminated during this small, this was a very, very small flare-up. I don't want to call it a coronal mass ejection because it wasn't. But this happened on the 4th of February. You can see the date right at the bottom. This was very close to going into February 5th. So what you're seeing in the big sphere right here is not transparent. What you're seeing in all of those little white dots is the extreme ultraviolet light cameras picking up all of those illuminated particles. And I'm going to be quite honest, folks. All of those little particles, they're really not that little. I mean, they're quite large. I couldn't tell you exactly how large they are, but they're quite large. Now let's examine the photograph here real quick. Right over here where you see the orange disbursement, the sun is off to the left. Remember, I told you in this camera view, the sun is not in the view of the camera. It is displaced so it can see the coronal mass ejections emitting from the sun. This white area that you see right here, and you see this extended line, this white line, it's a Birkeland current line. This little round object right here, where my cursor is, that's Mercury.